Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we've got a dynamic duo to talk about: the DASH Tasti-Crisp Family Size Electric Air Fryer and the DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer. Both products promise to elevate your cooking experience, but how well do they really hold up? Let's find out. The DASH Tasti-Crisp Family Size Electric Air Fryer is designed to bring you the crispy, fried taste you love, without the guilt. This air fryer uses AirCrisp technology to reduce the need for oil, which cuts the added fat by 70 to 80%. Perfect for anyone looking to make healthier meals, the 6-quart capacity means it's big enough for a family dinner, but compact enough for smaller kitchens. You can load the fryer basket, set the temperature, and in just minutes, you get crispy food that's ready to enjoy. The fryer also comes with easy-to-use temperature controls, which range from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough to cook a wide range of dishes, from crispy fries to tender chicken wings. Now, alongside this air fryer, we also have the DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer. Whether you're grilling steaks or roasting chicken, knowing the exact temperature of your food is key. This thermometer features a dual-wire thermocouple sensor that gives you ultra-fast, accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. With a wide temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, this thermometer can handle everything from meats to baking. Its digital LCD display ensures you can read the temperature clearly and easily, and being waterproof, it's durable enough for any kitchen scenario. So, how do these products stack up in real-world use? Let's talk about how they perform when you actually put them to work. Setting up the DASH Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is incredibly simple. All you need to do is pop your food into the 6-quart basket, choose your desired temperature, and let the fryer do its thing. The results are consistently crispy, and the cooking time is impressively fast. I tested it with frozen fries, and in just about 15 minutes, they came out golden and crisp, no oil required. The only drawback I found was that it can get a little noisy during operation, but it's certainly not unbearable. The DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer is equally user-friendly. The instant read function is a game changer when you're grilling or cooking meat to perfection. I used it for steaks, and it gave me an accurate reading within 2 to 3 seconds, which was incredibly convenient. No more poking at your meat and guessing. The display is large, clear, and easy to read, and the waterproof feature makes cleanup a breeze. However, one thing to note is that the thermometer does require regular calibration to maintain its accuracy, but that's standard with most thermometers in this category. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The DASH Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer's biggest strengths are its size, cooking speed, and the healthier frying option it provides. It's great for families and anyone looking to cut down on oil without sacrificing taste. However, the noise level might be a deal breaker for some. It's not too loud, but it's something to consider if you're sensitive to kitchen appliance sounds. Another con is that, while it has a great capacity, it's not the most compact air fryer on the market, so it can take up a bit of space on your counter. The DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer, on the other hand, is fast, accurate, and easy to use. It's the perfect companion for any cook looking to avoid undercooked or overcooked meat. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the waterproof feature adds to its durability. One downside, though, is the fact that it doesn't come with a storage case. You'll need to find somewhere safe for it to sit to avoid damage, especially since the probe is sharp. In terms of value for money, both products are fairly priced given their features. The DASH Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer offers a lot of value for families who want to make healthier meals without spending too much. When compared to other air fryers in a similar price range, the DASH model offers great value for its size, speed, and ability to reduce oil consumption. The DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer is also reasonably priced, considering its speed and accuracy. If you were to look at similar thermometers in the same price range, many would still take longer to give you an accurate reading. When compared to other air fryers, the DASH Tasti-Crisp stands out for its ease of use, health-conscious cooking, and fast results. While there are other options that offer larger capacities or more features, few deliver as efficiently at this price point. In the same price range, you're likely to find smaller air fryers or ones that require more oil, making this one a solid choice if you're looking for convenience and health benefits. The DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer, while not the only thermometer out there, offers one of the quickest and most reliable readings you'll find. Many competitors in the same price range are slower and don't have the waterproof feature. If you need speed, durability, and reliability, this thermometer really stands out. Both products are well built with quality materials that feel durable without being overly heavy. The fryer's plastic body seems sturdy enough for regular use, though it may not withstand years of rough handling. The thermometer's slim design is sleek and efficient, though you should be careful not to drop it, since the probe could bend or get damaged. Regarding customer support, DASH generally has a reputation for being responsive and helpful. I didn't personally need to contact them for these products, but based on customer feedback, most report positive experiences with their support team. In terms of longevity, it's tough to speak to the long-term durability of the fryer, but given DASH's reputation and the general build quality, it's reasonable to expect that with proper care, both the fryer and thermometer should hold up over time. So the fryer's ease of use and the thermometer's water-resistant design both indicate solid reliability. Wrapping things up, the DASH Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer and DASH Precision Quick Read Meat Thermometer both serve their respective purposes well. The air fryer is ideal for anyone looking to cook healthier meals quickly, and it delivers crispy, tasty results with minimal effort. The meat thermometer is perfect for anyone who wants to ensure their meat is cooked to the right temperature every time, fast and accurately. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and healthier way to prepare meals, both of these products are worth considering. However, if you're sensitive to noise or space constrained, the air fryer might be a little too much. Otherwise, these two products are a great pair that can really elevate your cooking game. Thank you for watching! If you've tried these products or have any thoughts to share, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking up something amazing with Reviews Inside TV.